everyone, welcome back to my channel. Probably shouldn't be filming this video, I should probably be doing some uni work instead, but I just couldn't wait any longer. Basically, my friend Emily has very kindly picked me an outfit from Pretty Little Thing. She saw that I did it with my boyfriend and said that she would really like to pick me an outfit as well, and I had high hopes because, you know, she's a girl, obviously she knows me very, very well. So basically we said that we would set a budget. So I think we set the budget for £50. Because we were going to do £30, and I thought, well, because I wanted her to pick a whole outfit, like we're talking shoes and everything, which normally I haven't done before. So we thought we'd go for 50 so that we didn't have to like pick something necessarily just because it's cheaper, if that makes sense. Anyway, so we decided to go for Pretty Little Thing because I feel like that's really good for night out outfits. Can't remember if I said, but the theme was a night out / like drinks outfit. And she did say to me it's kind of like a cocktail kind of vibes, but you could go to the club in it as well. Like, I suppose it just depends what sort of thing you wear, but she said it was more or less both. So yeah, it arrived yesterday, and let's just say it's been very hard not to open because I haven't opened it. I wanted to get the true reaction for this on camera. So I haven't seen what she's ordered at all. So we're just going to go ahead and open it. I'll talk through each thing, and then obviously at the end I will do a full trial of everything together. So the bag is now open after a bit of difficulty pulling it apart with my fingers. Oh, okay. So I'm going to guess that this is the outfit. Emerald green, high neck, strappy back, bodycon dress, and she's got me this in a size 10. So, oh, this is so exciting. Okay. Wow, it's very small. Oh no, here we go. I thought it was only this small. I was thinking, how is this a dress? It looks like a skirt, but it's backless. Did I even say that? Strappy back. Didn't even click. Here's the front. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Okay, so she's gone with the green because she knows I like my green. It is this very strappy back, high, like front bit here. You'll be able to see it best when I just try it on in a bit. With an open back with the straps that crisscross across the back. It's just crisscross straps across the back. And then obviously this goes on my shoulders, so that's really pretty. I like that. Okay, so like I said, I've now pulled the shoes out. They come in a little PLT box. The box looks like it's got a little bit dishevelled in the post, but that's totally fine. So let's see, what kind of shoes has she gone for? Okay, they come in like a nice little bag actually, that's quite cool. One per bag. I'm seeing black, that's a good sign. Ooh! She's also gone for more of like a block heel because I don't really like a pointy heel because I'm rubbish at walking in them. Maybe one day I'll learn, but I can't see it happening anytime soon. But I actually really like the first look of these, and she's got me these in a size 6, which is generally my shoe size. So hopefully they fit. I mean, they don't look like they won't. I do have quite wide feet, but they don't exactly look necessarily like a really skinny shoe. Just get the other one out for you to see. Never actually ordered shoes from Pretty Little Thing before. I mean, I know I didn't technically order these, but yeah, I've never tried their shoes. So I actually really, really like these. They feel quite nice quality as well, actually. Okay, next up, she's gone with a bag, because I did say that I wanted her to see if she could get like an accessory, you know, like put a full outfit together. So this is a perfect looking little small black bag. Also comes in a little, whatever they're called. Oh, okay, that's cute. It's a bit shiny. Not sure if it's the normal thing I would pick, but the size of it is perfect. And to be fair, sometimes you can't fully tell what something looks like on the website, but I mean, it's a black bag. You can't really go wrong, can you? It's perfect, like hand size. Yes. Oh, and it's got a crossbody strap inside, which is silver, which is actually really good because silver is my go-to colour of jewellery. every day and night out, to be fair. Now there is one more thing in the bag, and it is this really cute pearl headband. I'll take it out of the packet so that you can see. And I've actually been really into my headbands recently. I think I have two, just like quite thick, chunky ones. Oh, this is really cute. I don't know if I would necessarily wear it the dress, but oh my god, that's so nice. Maybe like an everyday thing. I think I'd be more scared to wear it on a night out, because I lost it. Oh, she's done really well. I'm very, very impressed. Right, so like I said, I'm now going to try all this on. Take the headband off so you can see me back to normal, and I will try it on with the headband, but I'll try all of this outfit on now and go through the sizes again and the price of each individual item too. Okay, so here is the full outfit. I will try and show you the shoes the best that I can. Hopefully you can see it alright. It nearly cuts off my head, but that's because I've got heels on, so I'm a bit taller than normal. So I actually really, really like it. The only thing I would say is unfortunately the dress does pull across here a little bit, but that's not because there's not enough material. I think it's just because it's a satin material, but it's really, really nice colour. Oh god, it looks extra bad on camera. I'm just going to hold this there. It's a really, really nice colour, and I will just show you the straps at the back, just so you can see. Had a bit of problem trying to actually do them all up, but I've managed it. It's so, so lovely. I feel like a little bit like a mermaid in it, and then the length you can kind of see, it comes to sort of, oh, I don't know, it's just a short dress, you know. I love it. Can't wear pants with it, I will say that. Too much VPL. Even if, maybe if you had like full seamless ones on, it would be okay. It is done up on the side with this zip here, and then it's just low at the back. So I am just getting the order confirmation up on my phone because she did order it on my account, but I promise you I hadn't looked at the email or anything because, like I said, I wanted it to be a complete surprise. Where even is it? Here. Okay, so the dress, like I said, is a size 10, but the dress was £17. Wow, that's actually really good. That's not expensive at all. I mean, it's from Pretty Little Thing, but to be honest, I think that's quite reasonable for, you know, like a cocktail night out dress. The heels, like I said, she got me in a size 6, and they were £19. So again, a little bit, I'd say, for PLT, maybe a little bit on the price side, but like I said, I haven't actually ever ordered shoes from there before. The really cute little pearl headband was only £4, so that, the clutch bag, which I have here, I'll come in and show you a little bit better now. So it's like kind of like a glitzy bag, so quite shiny, so it's not just plain black, so you know, if you're in that sort of thing, it jazzed it up a little bit. And that was £10. So overall, what did it come to? Exactly £50. So well done, Emily, you stayed right on budget. I just come in because I have taken off the heels so that you can see me a bit better. Just show you the heels. So they're this really nice square toe, and they've got a really nice block heel at the back. 2 straps, and then that just goes around your ankle like that. Really, really nice, and they're actually a really nice fit. They've got a squidgy sole here as well, which is perfect for heels for a night out, because you know it means that your feet aren't going to absolutely kill, hopefully, after wearing them, or at least it'll give you like a little bit extra support. And if I just take the hairband off, I know I kind of showed you before, but you can just see it's this really cute just pearl hairband just on like a metal band underneath. So this is the outfit with my black cropped denim jacket. This is just from Topshop, I believe. You know, sometimes it gets a bit cold. when you're going on a night out. Could not get my words out then. Yeah, sometimes it's a bit cold, you know, you need a little jacket, and I just find a black denim jacket, especially if it's cropped as well, because, you know, you can still see your whole outfit nicely, and it cuts off at a nice point. You know, it just adds a little extra layer for you. And obviously, like she said, she thought that this would casual it down quite a lot, which obviously it has. But yeah, I'm going to end the video here. So thank you very much to Emily for picking out this lovely outfit for me. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to put the shoes back on now and take a picture and send it to her and see what she thinks. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was kind of like a bit of a difference for, you know, having like just casual outfits. It was nice to see one whole night out outfit, and it also shows you that, you know, for £50 you can get a whole full outfit with accessories and stuff on PLT, and to be fair, for probably less as well, as I know they do some, I have some really nice dresses from there that literally cost me like £5, and they're like my go-to night out outfits. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.